Hello scholars, today we're going to start with some Eureka fluency exercises. The first exercise that we will do will be me showing you the dot cards and you taking a second to look at them and quickly giving me the amount of dots that you see on the card. Okay, let's do the first one. How many dots do you see? Think about it. 2. How many dots do you see? 3. How many dots do you see? 10. How many dots do you see? 9. How many dots do you see? 4. How many dots do you see? 8. How many dots do you see? 5. How many dots do you see? 7. How many dots do you see? 6. How many dots do you see? 1. Great job. Now, the next one, we're going to count the dots. You're going to have the 5 frame. You're going to count the dots in the 5 frame, and then afterwards you're going to count the empty spaces. Okay, ready? How many dots do you see? 5. How many empty spaces do you see? Great. 0. How many dots do you see? 4. How many empty spaces? 1. Great job. How many dots do you see? 1. How many empty spaces? 4. Great job. How many dots do you see? 0. How many empty spaces? 5. How many dots do you see? 2. How many empty spaces? 3. Great job. And the last one, how many dots do you see? 3. How many empty spaces? 2. Great job. All right, so the next fluency exercise that we are going to do, as you see here, you're going to guess which number comes next. All right, so I'm going to do my best to try to do this and put it in the camera. So for the first one here, we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What number will come next after 4? Right, 5. Great job. Let me adjust a little bit. Yeah, that's a little bit better. All right, the next one. Remember, this is a sprint, and whenever we're doing sprints, we go straight down. We do not go across and sideways to sideways. So this deal is going to go straight down. All right, so for this one, we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. What number comes next? 4. Great job. All right, the next one, we have 0, 1, 2. What number comes next? 3. Great job. We have 0, 1. What number comes next? 2. Great job. We have 0. What number comes next? 1. Great job. We starting off here with a blank space. Wonder what number is going to go there first. 0. Great job. All right, here we have a 0. What number is going to go next? Great. 1. We have 0, 1. What number comes next? Great. 2. We have 0, 1, 2. What number comes next? 3. Great job. Then we have a 0, 1, 2, 3. What number comes next? Great job. 4. All right, on the other side of our sprint, let's take a look at it. And notice on this side right here, we are counting down. We are not counting up. This side we counted numbers going up. This side we're going to count numbers going down. So you're going to have to stop and think for a second before you give that answer, or before I give you the answer. All right. So we have here a blank space, and we have 4 and 3. What number comes before 4? Think about it. Great. 5. Right? Remember, we're counting down. We have 5. What number comes next counting down? What number is that? Between 5 and 3. What number would that be? Yes, 4. Okay. We have 5, 4. What's our missing number? Remember, we're counting down. What number will be between 4 and 2? Counting down. Think about it. 3. Great job. We have 5, 4, 3. What's the missing number? We're counting down. Number between 3 and 1 will be, great, 2. Good job. We have 5, 4, 3, 2. What's the missing number between 2 and 0? 1. Great job. Now let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's our missing number? Great, 0. Almost done. Look, we're counting up again. 0, 1, 2, 3. What's the missing number? 4. Great job. We have 5, 4. We're counting down again. What's the missing number between 4 and 2? Think about it. Yes, 3. We have 0, 1. What's the missing number? We're counting up. Yes, 2. And the last one, we have a missing number is here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're counting up again. That missing number is 0. Great job, scholars, on this sprint. All right, now let's do one more fluency activity. Great. Who can tell me what these are? Hope you haven't forgot them. These were our friends. Yes, number bonds. We're going to make number bonds. I don't want you to forget about number bonds, all right? So let's look at these examples, and let's try to complete the number bond. All right. This one is done for us. If you have a 2 here and a 1 here, your whole is 3. Your whole number is 3. When you break it in half, you put 1 over here and 2 over here, and that makes a number bond. All right, let's go to the next one. This number bond is halfway completed for us. Our whole number again, whole amount again is 3. If we split that 3 up, you'll put 1 on this side and 2 over here. For me to make that number bond complete, Mrs.Deal needs to draw a line there, and I have completed that number bond. Now, we're going to complete the number bond, make this group and this group a number bond. Let's find our whole amount first. Where's our whole amount? So if our whole amount has been 3 here, it's been 3 here, I wonder if our whole amount will be 3 down here. Which one of these circles have 3 in it? This one does. See? 1, 2, and 3. If I split these dots in that circle up, I'm going to have 2 and 1, and I'm creating a number bond looking like this. Great. Now let's go to the next one. We go here. What was our magic whole number? 3. So I'm looking for the number bond that has the circle, excuse me, because it's not a number bond yet because I have not added the lines. I'm looking for the circle that has 3 dots in it, and it's right here, 1, 2, and 3. And I need to make it a number bond, so when I'm splitting that 3 in half, and I put 2, and I have one circle that has 2 in it, and one circle has a 1, and I need to make it a number bond by adding our lines. And remember, it doesn't matter which way you decide to do your number bonds. You can make your number bonds look like this, where your whole number is at the top and then your 2 halves are at the bottom. You can make your number bond look like this, where your whole is at the bottom and your 2 halves are at the top. You can make your number bond look like this one, where your whole is to my right and your 2 halves are to the left. Or you can choose to make your number bond look like this, where your whole is to, my right, and it's your left, and your halves are here on the right hand side. All right, and this concludes our math fluency lesson for today. Remember to continue working on your adding and subtraction and your number bonds.